Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export your tickets from Zendesk. As you can see, we have a ton of tickets right here. Just go to the left panel. You'll be able to see this icon, which is views icon. Just click on it. Now you'll be landed to your unresolved tickets. All right. And here you can select unassigned tickets, all resolved tickets. This one right here are pending tickets. For example, I'm going to download the delivery increase. Okay. I'm just going to click on this one, and on the top right, we have the actions button. All right, I'm just going to click on it and hit on export as CSV. All right, I'm just going to click on it, and there will be a pop-up. It says here, check your email. We've sent something. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my email, and you should receive this similar email. So you can see here your CSV file for sample delivery increase. All right, as you might remember, it was under delivery increase is ready. I'm just going to click on this link right here. As you can see, it is ready for download. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Down here, it's done. Let's try to check it out. There we have it. All right. As you can see here, I've requested one earlier, which is the unresolved right here. I'm going to check it. And here we have my unresolved tickets, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.